After viewing a quite popular video posted by a very confident Mr. Ministry Man, I have come to answer the question that he claims atheists fear the most. The question he asked is, what evidence do you have to support your belief that there is no God? I feel this question was specifically directed towards me, as indicated by the title. I feel very inclined to answer this question. Hold on to your hats, because this response is probably going to surprise you. Or maybe not, because most atheists would probably answer this question the same way that I'm going to, which means that you've probably heard it before. But I don't have any evidence. There, you heard me admit it. I don't have any evidence to prove that my belief in the absence of God is true. Would you like to know why that is? It's because it would be impossible for me to provide a piece of evidence that backs up such a claim. But this is just the difference between the atheist and the human of faith. You see, I may claim that there isn't a God out there, but at least I admit that I don't have any evidence to back up that claim. You claim that there is a God, and that even though you don't have any evidence to back up the claim, you don't need any because you have faith. The creator of the video, Mr. Ministry Man, actually says that he has evidence to prove the existence of God. But he never presents the evidence once during the video. He provides a link in the lower right corner of the video that says proof that God exists, but when I clicked on the link I was told that the video in the link was private and that I couldn't view it. You see, what I'm doing is taking all the quantifiable, measurable facts that I can possibly learn about the universe and drawing conclusions from them. While I have seen concrete evidence for theories like gravity, chemical reactions, and evolution, I have seen no such evidence for the existence of a God. It doesn't prove that the theories of gravity, chemical reactions, and evolution are true, but it gives me justification to believe in them more than I should believe in an alternative theory that provides less evidence. Do you see what I've done there? I've taken the fact that there is no evidence for a God, and from that fact, I've drawn the conclusion that there isn't a God. Should the evidence present itself that there is, in fact, a God, I would have to alter my conclusion so that it matches that evidence. But what you do is the exact opposite. You take a conclusion that there is a God and try to find facts to support it. If you happen to find facts that are consistent with your conclusion, that doesn't make your conclusion true, since you came to the conclusion before finding that evidence. This is especially true if there are facts that contradict your conclusion. I'm not saying that I have all the answers. I'm just saying that you don't either. If I asked you who or what created the universe, your response as a Christian would be that God created the universe. This claim is inaccurate, however, because it has no evidence to support it. Notice how I didn't say the claim is untrue, because I admit that it is possible, it's just an inaccurate claim. Now, if you ask me who or what created the universe, my response would be, I don't know. I don't know is a perfectly accurate statement. And I mean 100% perfectly accurate. My evidence for not knowing who or what created the universe is that I don't have any evidence that answers the question of who or what created this universe. You see, we could both be asked the same question about the universe. The fact that I can't provide an answer to that question does not make my response less accurate than your response, because you can't provide one either. It's actually many times more accurate than your claim. Even though I fail to answer the question, at least I don't fail to tell the truth.